Hello, Cooking Nation. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to get more tutorials from the cooking. Now let's get on with the video. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to cook a medium rare steak on the stovetop to y'all. The first thing you're going to want to do is put about 1 tablespoon of butter into the pan and let that start to melt. That way your steak doesn't stick to the pan and it's nice and easy to flip. While your butter is melting, season your steak. I recommend using pepper, steak seasoning, and onion powder. That way it gets a nice crust on it with a little bit of salt. But feel free to improvise and do whatever you like to do. Once your butter starts to melt, you're going to want to put the steak on high heat for roughly about 2 to 3 minutes. Flip and sear the other side. You're going to want to do that for 2 to 3 minutes again. Then put it to medium-low heat for about 15 minutes while flipping occasionally. Once you're done, wrap the steak in tin foil and let the meat rest for about 5 minutes. We do this so that the steak can get nice and juicy and get nice and tender. Make sure to be careful when you open the tin foil, that way you don't make a mess. Now when you're serving the steak, make sure you cut against the grain, because if you cut with it, you'll rip the steak and it will come out with a poor cut. You can tell which direction the grain is going by the lines you will see after it's been cooked. Now that your steak is ready to be served, I recommend also putting on the plate some cauliflower or broccoli, potatoes, or asparagus, but feel free to improvise with whatever flavors you like. Now dig in and enjoy your meal, and remember, Cooking Nation, I will see you in the next one.